Dear colleagues, my name is Dr. Laszlo Tăbár, Professor Emeritus at the University of Uppsala, Sweden. I feel honored by your invitation to join the first Iraqi Breast Cancer Summit as an invited speaker. This summit is a significant step forward in raising awareness, advancing research, and improving care for breast cancer patients in Iraq and in the region. During the summit, I will be speaking about the new era in diagnosis and treatment of breast cancer. My main topic is how to find breast cancer in its earliest possible phase, correlating the imaging and large format histopathologic findings with long-term patient outcome, as well as informing the colleagues about the breast cancer's classification according to the site of tumor origin. I do believe in the importance of interdisciplinary teamwork, the constant collaboration among the diagnostic and therapeutic members of the breast teams. I'm happy to share knowledge and also learn from all the team members attending this event. Thank you very much for the opportunity to participate in your important conference.